All right. Let's get back to it. Let's get freaking back to it, bro. Okay. Last one we left off with was you are given a large integer represented as an integer array digits, where each digit's I is the ith digit of the integer. The digits are ordered from most significant to least significant in left to right order. The large integer does not contain any leading zeros. Does not contain any leading zeros. Okay, okay. Tight sheet. All right. So we got 1, 9. We got 9, 9, 9. We got, wait, the bando. Bando, little money, I ain't never letting go. Be mine again, baby. Okay, we got 9. Mm. What about for this one, right? We plus 1 will be 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. And then 99 will be 1, 0, 0. 3, 9, 8, 9 will be 3, 9, 9, 0. Yeah, baby. I can please you. Yeah, baby. Look, I do not want to do any of this complicated algorithm iterative bull crap, so I'm just gonna go Java int array to string. Big zoo wop in the finish. Be mine again, baby. Hey, I know my lifestyle is driving you crazy. Okay, maybe I do need to actually properly do it, bro. How did I do last year? Whoa, what the hell was I doing in May, bro? Baby. Okay, this is annoying. I need to figure this out. Look, I'm gonna do one like this. What the freak? What the? 3, 7, 9, 8, 9. No, 9, 9, 9. Right? When we add 1 to here, we want 3, 7, no, 3, 8, 0, 0. Baby, baby, baby. So in this case, we add 1 to the one preceding the 9. But what about in this case, where we have 999? We add 1, still preceding the 9, and the rest becomes 0. Replace the rest with 0. But what about 9? Preceding the 9, place with 0. And then what about, oh, what about numbers like 29? Preceding the 9, add 1 to that, right? And then triple 9, right? And to the end. 199. We found the last 9 here. Okay. All right. So for int I'm going to, the array represents the integer 1, 2, 3. Incrementing by 1 gives 1, 2, 3 plus 1. Right? What's this? Integer equals digits dot length. Actually, I is less than, oh, as long as I is greater than 0. Greater than or equal to, actually. Increment I. To the end. Right. Right here. Right here. Digits dot length. I is greater than or equal to 0. Increment I. So what I'm doing now is going digits at position I. If digits at position I is not equal to 9, then simply do digits at position I is now equal to digits at position I plus 1. Right? Because if it's not 9, it's 1 through 8. Word. How many cases that solves? Let me run that real quick. Index 3 out of bounds for length free. Oh, shit, my bad. I think I'm just a slow person, bro. Oh, God. Opportunity knocking, it was out for coffee, and then it went like my hand, way too lofty. I could die here, and I went to try here. My sugars, please. Color the black and white. Oh, wait, I don't need a loop. What am I doing? Run. And pages whip. You know they whipped us. Yeah, we're afraid to rap a. Read him now. Don't fear the light that dwells deep within. Int last element. Last number is equal to digits dot length minus 1. Mysterious aberrations illuminated the trap with the sunrise. It's feeling me so alive. Enjoy the joy ride. And some, you know, there's only, what's fighting cancer? You know what I mean? It's on my mental. You know what I mean? You know, them pretending they really know name. Else for int I is equal to 0. Call comes, you better say hello, no hesitation. Now, is it better to iterate from the front or from the back of the freaking thing in order to get what I want? So if I iterate from the front, is what it look like. So 3 is not a 9, 7 is not a 9, 9 is a 9. So we've hit that. Go back here. U equal to +1. And then the rest is 0, 0, 0. 3 is not a 9. But what happens if it's just a 9? Tell me that. What happens if it's just a 9? Ah, damn. If we need to increase the number of integers in the array, that means we need to create a new array, bruh. Because int digits is not a freaking thing, you know what I'm saying? We back and we back and we back. I is better watch out for my brother. Stuff like when it looks like this 99, 999. The only time we go up by an element is when they're all nines. Ah, yeah, we're gonna have to increment from the end anyways, so it's gonna have to be last num. Work, 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 bang, nigga, bang. Turn, 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 bang, ba-da, bang, ba-da, bang, ba-da, bang. So we're gonna start here, go all the way back, and until we hit a non-9 integer, right? If digits at position I is not equal to 9, step in. So we've reached a digit that doesn't equal to 9. If I is equal to, wait, so hold on. We're here, and we're gonna increment because this is equal to the length minus 1. So 0, 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 1, 4. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If digits at position I is not equal to 9, which should actually, if this is true, then we found a digit that's not equal to 9, right? If this is true, then we found a digit that's not equal to 9 because at no point where it hits -1 will this run again, right? If it's all 9, then that means -1 has been reached. This, that, and the third, create a new one. If digits at position I is not equal to 9, then step in. Digits at position I, digits at position I is equal to digits at position I plus 1. And then from I, we gotta go forward, right? From I, we gotta go. So bow, bow, bow. From I, we gotta go forward. And then all these new ones is 0. So for int j, so for I is less than last num, increment I less than or equal to the last num, increment I, digits we say I plus 1. So we're here. Digits at position J is now equal to 0. I don't know how this is gonna work. I'm just raw dogging it, bro. Did this even bother doing it? I'm tripping, bro. Oh, frick. Yeah, I know. You have attempted to run code too soon. Oh, true. I was about to say, I thought there was a limited amount of times I could run this shit. So this got reached. Uh, if digits at position I is not equal to 9. Also, this deals with a non you a non this deals with one that isn't all 9s. Else, if I equals to 0 and digits at position, actually, else if it's 0, then we've reached the number 9. We gotta create a new array, right? Right. How do I do this? Okay, I think I know. Int new equals digits dot length plus 1, right? Right. And so we just copy, right? Ja 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 ja. See what I'm saying? If this was a 9, we'd only change this, right? Even if it was an 8, we'd only change this. Like I'm saying, bro. I'm saying, bro. Done taking me a long time, bro. But I'm slowly getting it. Bang 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 ski 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 bang 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 ski 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 bang 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 ski 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 bang 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 ski 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 bang 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 ski ski ski. So good. 10. Let me change the music real quick. Money talks. Let me listen to that song real quick. Yeah, this one. Add that to house, cause this a banger. Alright, so I created a new integer array, and what I want to do is new array equals system dot copy array, the source, which is digits at position. Money talks, money talks. At position 0 into new array at position 1. There's one more argument I'm missing, I'm thinking. Dirty cash I want, money talks, money talks. Yo, can you just tell me what the freaking things is? Oh, the length, right? Source array and source position object. Yeah. What you can do for me is actually, what am I doing? What am I actually doing, bro? I don't gotta do too much. If it's all 9s, it's just a new array returned with new. What's the best way to do this? Do I loop through it? Wait, can I go to Chat GPT real quick? What am I doing again? So, I'm creating an int array using int. Oh, then that's easy. Then I go new array at position 0 is equal to 1. Boom. Run that hoe. Okay. Dirty cash, I want you dirty. I don't know why I didn't just copy and paste it here. I swear, millions of you and I. Okay, so we went here, and then as long as it's greater than zero, maybe it's supposed to put it like greater than or equal to zero, right? So then it works. Tight shit. So this was reached on some tight shit. Oh, but it's still okay. I need to return new array. And oh, you gotta feel me on some type shit. Now let's submit this. Let's see what happens. I'm interested into seeing other people's. Yeah, something's out of bounds. I knew it. For 89999999999, right? For 89999, this one don't work. For 89999, this one doesn't work, brother. That's good enough. All right, brother. Why doesn't it work, brother? Because you see we've got an 8, and you see the problem. Index 4 out of bounds for link 4 at this part right here. Right? Where we start is at the end, right? If digits at last num is not equal to 9, step in and simply add 1. But anyways, if digits at position I is not equal to 9, but it is, so go here, so go here, and so go here. At this point, I is equal to 0. Right? At this point, I is equal to 0. If digits at position I is not equal to 9, step in and digits at position I is now equal to digits at position I plus 1. Wait, am I blindsided? Oh my god. No, that's right. Right, so if digits at position I is not equal to 9, so 8 is not equal to 9, digits at position I here is equal to digits at position I plus 1. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 equals to 9. So now, this holds 9. That's your updated value. And then I'm saying for int j is equal to I plus 1, j is equal to I plus 1, which is at this point is 0. We're putting it on 9. So this is position 1. Right. And I plus 1. I is less than or equal to the last number, which is this one right here, which is 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. You know what? Let me just 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Right, and we've got this thing right here. So it's pointing here at this point of the code. For int j is equal to I plus 1, I is less than or equal to the last number 3, increment I. Increment I? Are you stupid? Increment j. You mad? Are you mad? Now submit it. Boom, bat, bat, boom, boom. You're dumb. Am I still dumb? Anyways, so increment j, right? Digits at position j is equal to 0. Increment j, now it's here. Digits at position j is equal to 0. J is now equal I plus 1. Hold on. I just need to see it. You feel me? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm putting equals. That's why. Freaking submit, please. Yo, this is still not working, bro. Why is it still not work? Jay, you stupid. Oh my goodness, am I retarded? Flame retardant. That's what I meant to say. So 899 ain't working still. The output was 9009. Well, simple fix. There you go. Yeah, simple fix my ass. Digits 989. Output was 1000. The expected output was 990. So now, why did I enter this part? Why? 989. You know what? Suck your mother. Let's figure it out, yeah? Which code failed? 989. 989 didn't work, and here's why. Because if the digit is not equal to 9, it's not true, so else it ran the for loop. Int I is equal to the last number at position 2. I is greater than or equal to 0, and in decrement I. If digits at position I is not equal to 9, which it is, so go. If digits at position I is not equal to 9, but it is. Wait, why didn't this work? How did I get this? Hold on, let me just. Ah, frick. I forgot. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Eh, 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 yeah, 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 eh, 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 yeah, 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 eh, 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 eh. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm supposed to break from this loop. That's why. Oh, this part of the if statement supposed to break from it, bro. If any of these you're supposed to break. Oh, word. Oh, y'all, it's time to wake the neighbors up. Submit. And bam, watch all these cases. Accepted. Boom, bop, bop, boom, boom, bop, bam. I beat everyone in time, understand. I beat everyone in memory, understand. I'm just that guy, I'm the man. Yup, yup. Great memory, great everything, superb talent, once in a generational talent. Do not, do not ever underestimate me. Don't overestimate me either. I'm just that guy. Look at me. I'm top 20 percentile here and top 0 percentile because I'm just that good. I don't even exist. Oh God. Damn, it's 2025. Ah, my gosh. Mother freaker. Mother freaker. Yo, what did other people get, bro? I'm cursed. I'm cursed. Iterate through the array from the end. Yeah, that's what I did though. Easy and elegant solution. Oh, I like the sound of that. Let's think about this. The description says increment the large integer by 1 and return the resulting array of digits. So we should add 1 to the last index, then return the array. But what if we have input digits equals 99? If we add 1 to the last index, the number at the last index will be 0. Then we have carry. Again, if we add the carry to the index 0, the number at index 0 will be 0. Then we will get another carry. And finally, add 1 and 1 will be the first index and return the array. When we add 1, then the number is not 10. Just add 1 to the last index and return the array. If 1 0, add 0 to the current index, add 0 to the current index, and continue the loop, find a number except 10 or reach yada yada. If we reach 0, yo, show me your code, bro. Your code looks a lot less complicated than mine. You get straight into the for loop. If digits at position I plus 1 is not equal to 10, digits at position I plus equal 1. Return digits. Wait, so you basically just said if digits at position I is equal to 9, digits at position I is equal to 0. Am I refusing to learn these simple, elegant solutions? Yes. Is it because I don't want to change the way I think? Sorta, yeah. Sorta, yeah. For in I is equal to digits dot length, yada yada, this, that, and the third. Yeah, I'd like to publish mine. You feel me? I like to publish mine. China, China, China. I reached my man. Frick you, man. Anyways, I don't need you no more. I could just use this. Time and space complexity for the following code and explain why. See, I can just use ChatGPT. I don't gotta subscribe for no premium bullshit. O of n, where n is the length of the input array digits. In the worst case, the input array consists entirely of 9s. When this happens, the outer loop iterates through all n digits from the last to the first. For each 9, it will potentially iterate again in the inner loop, resetting digits to 0. However, each digit is modified at most twice, once in the outer loop and once in the inner loop. Thus, the overall number of operations is proportional to n, not n squared. In the best case, if the last digit is not n, Only one operation is needed to increment the last digit, which is O of 1. Thus, the overall time complexity is O of n for the worst case. Space complexity code is O of n. Key observations. Okay. How would you implement this code? And is there a better bro? I'll type it, bro. Traverse the array from the end. Increment the digits if it's less than 9. Return the modified array. Set the current digits to 0 since it is 9. If all digits were 9, we need a new array. The first digit becomes 1. All others are 0 by default. Return new digits. Wow, that is simpler. I think I want you to tell the algorithm like a story. I want to see what this outputs. The array that wanted to count higher. Once upon a time, there was an array of digits, and it represented a number. Each position in the array held a single digit, from the leftmost to the rightmost. One day, the array got curious. What if I could be just one number bigger? Could someone help me? A brave hero, the algorithm, arrived and said, "Don't worry, I got you. Meet the last digit." The hero started at the end of the array, where the smallest digit lived, and asked, "Little digit, can you grow by one?" Alright. If the digit was less than 9 inches, less than 9, it smiled and said, "Sure," and grew by one. Then everything was fine, and the algorithm left satisfied. But sometimes the little digit was stubborn and said, "I can't, I'm already 9." When that happened, the hero said, "Fine, you must turn into 0 and let me talk to the next digit." Moving up the line, the algorithm moved backward through the array one digit at a time, repeating the same question. Most digits were happy to grow when they weren't 9 inches, but some were just as stubborn as the last one and had to become 0. The algorithm kept going until it found a digit that could grow, or until it reached the very beginning of the array. Now, if every digit in the array turned into 0, for example, 999, the algorithm thought for a moment and said, "This is a big deal. You've reached a new milestone." The hero then created "You array, yada yada, this, that, and the third." Happy ending. Oh my gosh, that makes so much sense. What did I do? What did I do? I said if the last number is not 9. And then I said, "I'll iterate through the whole damn thing." I said if digits at position I is not equal to 9, digits at position I is equal to digits at position I plus 1, this, that, and the third. Your mama, your mama, your mama, your mama is what I said. Your mama is what I said. I've absolutely lost it. I've absolutely lost the plot. Elegant. That's what it is. That needs no explanation. Intuition. Use your own approach. What was my approach? I just thunk complexity. O of n. Space complexity. O of n. Post. Uh huh. Let's reload that. Let's get that plus 1 with a green tick to the left. Come on now, don't do me like that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What is this? Uh, what does acceptance mean? Does acceptance mean it's hard? Oh yeah, I'm gonna assume. I'm gonna assume, bro. Oh, okay. Add binary. Given two binary strings, A and B return their sum as a binary string. Input A equals 11, B equals 1, output 100. What is this testing? My ability to turn a string into an integer? What? Wait, oh, actually, binary. Oh my goodness, I don't like binary. Well, I'm gonna have to learn what binary is, bro. I'm gonna have to learn how to read binary. 11 and 1 return their sum as a binary. So 12 in binary is 100. Converting int to binary. To convert an integer to binary, you can repeatedly divide the integer by 2 and write down the remainders in reverse order. My hump, 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 me lady lumps, chicken man, my hump. That's an important note. Let me write that down. My hump, my hump, my hump, my hump, my lovely lady lumps. My hump, my hump, my hump, my lovely lady lumps. You make anything. How long have I been streaming? 46, bro. It takes me 40 minutes to complete these questions. It blows my mind how stupid I can be, bro. On on phone them, on the gang, on twin. Always standing next to me. What am I doing? Okay. Given two binary strings, A and B, return their sum as a binary string. Wait. Oh, these are binary strings? Damn. Adding binary numbers. There are only four math facts to remember when adding binary numbers. They are 0 plus 0 equals 0, 0 plus 1 equals 1, 1 plus 0 equals 1, and 1 plus 1 equals 1, 0. So you're telling me, right? You're telling me, right? 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 equals 1, 0. 1 plus 1 equals 1, 0. And then what if there's a 1 left over, right? What if there's a 1 left over? Like, tell me that. Does that just turn into a 0? Alright, chat, I need to take a shit. Be right back. Oh yeah, my dumb ass is back. All right, all right, all right. Okay. I really don't want to go through the trouble of figuring out the algorithm of freaking adding all this stuff, bro. 11 plus 1. So a binary converter, right? How do we convert binary? And they went one step further and they did this, bro. They made it a string. Oh, give me what you can't get back. Let's go. Let's get on the grind, brother. You got this. I just got the most encouraging message I've ever gotten in the past 5 years or so. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is a lot of words. I really don't want to cheat, but at the same time, I really don't want to do this question, bro. Like, this question is honestly so boring. Not boring, but just freaking annoying. Okay, whatever. I gotta be unbiased. Unbiased. Super unbiased. Super unbiased. What's the date today, bro? It's Thursday. It's Thursday! Oh my freaking gosh! Where has the time gone? Input A equals 11, B equals 1. Okay. Can we just convert decimal? Convert to decimal. Ah, bro, I cannot be bothered. Decimal to binary conversion. What is it? Start with the decimal number. Oh no, bro, I meant to say. Binary to this. I'm being lazy, bro. Chat, I'm being lazy. I know. Don't worry about it, though. Don't worry about it, though. Let the binary number be B, which has n bits indexed from 0 to n minus 1. What is LSB? Initialize a decimal variable. Start with decimal 0. Iterate through the binary digits for each bit in the binary number. Multiply the bit by 2 to the power of I, where I is the position of the bit from right to left. Starting at 0, add the result. Yo, no, that's cheating. Don't show me that. Process. Start with decimal 0. Process each bit from right to left. I equals 0. B at position 0 equals 1. Decimal plus equals 1 times 2 to the power 0 equals 1. 208. 1208 equals 1 1. Oh, I like this. And then you just, right? You just add it all. Look, I'm lazy. I'm feeling lazy right now, so I'm not gonna do this one, bro. I'm gonna go back to problems. You feel me? Go back to problems. Head over to the list again and find a different one. You know what? Matter of fact, I'm so lazy right now.